In the competitive real estate market, the quality of indoor air can significantly impact property value and appeal. The Wi-Fi-enabled air quality monitor for real estate is a cutting-edge solution designed to enhance the value of properties and provide prospective buyers with an added sense of security and comfort. This intelligent device is not just a monitor, it's a strategic investment in the future of real estate. The monitor integrates seamlessly with HVAC systems, optimizing them to maintain the best air quality. By working in tandem with these systems, it ensures that the property's air is clean, fresh, and free from pollutants. This integration not only improves the living conditions, but also adds value to the property by showcasing the latest in smart home technology. Remote monitoring is a key feature that allows real estate professionals and property owners to keep an eye on air quality from anywhere. Whether they're showing the property to potential buyers or managing a rental, they can access real-time data and make adjustments as needed. This level of control and insight is invaluable in today's market, where buyers are looking for smart, efficient homes. Furthermore, the Wi-Fi-enabled air quality monitor automates maintenance scheduling. It tracks the performance of the HVAC system and air quality trends, suggesting the optimal times for maintenance and filter replacements. This proactive approach to property care reduces the risk of system failures and ensures that the property is always presented in its best light. For real estate professionals and property owners aiming to stay ahead in the market, the Wi-Fi-enabled air quality monitor is a game changer. It offers a tangible way to demonstrate the value of a property, making it more attractive to environmentally conscious and tech-savvy buyers. To explore how the Wi-Fi-enabled air quality monitor can elevate your real estate offerings, please feel free to contact me. You can find my email on my page, and I'll be sure to respond to your inquiry within 24 hours. Let's transform the way you present properties with the power of smart air quality monitoring.